Hello friends, in this video I am just going to tell you something about the communication skills, why it is important. You see that communication skills play a vital role in improving your personality. If you have good communication skills, then you find that you find easy way to talk to your seniors, your peer group, your colleagues, and you find the things going in a smooth way. But you see the people who find difficulty in communicating, they are having the poor communication skills. So why it is important? You see so many people around you that they are not a good communicator. So why it happens, and what are the things you need to do so that you can improve your communication skills? Communication consists of three aspects, that is written communication, verbal communication, and your body language. All the three aspects combines and gives you the total package of communication skills. So let's first talk about the written communication. Why written communication is important? Written communication is required when you are dealing with your official matters or even in your correspondence. So when you are writing, so content is very important. If you are writing with a good content and your vocabulary is good, your flow is good, so it all enhances your writing skills. So whenever you write with the good content and write precisely and concisely. There are so many mediums of communication nowadays. There is press release, WhatsApp, Facebook, media, your logo, your images, everything which conveys something message, some messages, then you are communicating with others. Communication skills sometimes misunderstood with that if somebody is speaking a very good English, then he must be having a good communication skills, but it's a misconception. Communication skills may be in any language, wherever a person is able to convey his thoughts and feelings and emotions, so that the person on the other hand can understand, then he is communicating the things in a better way. So how you can communicate the things so that the person who is the recipient can receive the message in a good way? So for that, your body language has to be good. Body language means your gestures, your eye contact, your body movements while talking with others. It all counts. The way you walk, you move your hands, your entire body movement, that gives you and that conveys the message. The tone with which you speak, it also matters a lot, and the volume of your voice is also important. So you convey your thoughts and feelings and messages in a very polite way. There is no need to be aggressive, but rather you have to be assertive in your approach. You find there are so many barriers in communication, but how to concentrate while you are talking so that other can also understand. So listening plays a very vital role while communicating with others. In a research, it is found that 45% of the communication consists of your listening skills. So listening means if somebody you are talking with, then you have to listen carefully It's not that you are looking here and there, but you must have the eye contact and proper gestures while listening. So active listening is very important. In an organization, sometimes the presentation has to be made, so presentation skills has to be very good. Presentation skills, it doesn't mean that there are a number of slides and you have to read out in front of the audience, but presentation skills means you have to be master with the content, what the subject is, and the way you explain the things to your audience, your eye contact, your movements, everything counts so that you can be a very effective communicator. You must have seen that there are so many leaders in the world who are very good communicator. So becoming a leader, to being a leader, you have to be very good in communication. You can communicate with the language with which people find it easy to receive. It's not that you have to use the flashing language, but communicate with the language with the common people. When you are talking or speaking with the audience, you must know the psychology of the audience, and accordingly you have to mold your voice and content and language, your dialogue delivery, everything it requires to be converted according to the demand of the situation. So communication, as you see, plays a very vital role, whether you are looking for a job or you are working or in your professional life or in your personal life also. If you are able to communicate your feelings and emotions and content effectively and efficiently, you find an easy way to move forward. Even in the social gathering, you see the people who are very good in the communications, they find it easy to mingle with others. So communication is no doubt play a very vital role in order to succeed in your life. So if you practice more and more, then look for a vocabulary, you have to enrich your vocabulary. I must recommend a book, Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. And you have to read your books, newspapers, watch television shows. So many videos are available in the YouTube. So in that way you can improve your communication skills. You have to practice with your friends, with your family members, the people around you with whom you feel easy to communicate. You can practice in front of the mirror. So there are so many ways you can practice your communication skills, and so that you can improve. I hope that this video will definitely enrich you in developing and demonstrating your communication skills and find you in a very good spirit while talking with others. Thank you. Thank you.